this is the whole strategy of a dollar a day strategy. What it is you have to make 9 videos, and now I'm telling you the exact to do. Make 9 videos, and I'm focusing now on videos and not pictures, because Facebook tracks videos a lot more nicely than pictures. Why? Facebook can track who has seen your videos for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 15 seconds, and 30 seconds. Facebook cannot track how many seconds a person has seen your image.
Okay.
So that Facebook cannot track, but the Facebook can track is the video. So what happens is, what you have to do is make 3 small videos, and small videos means more than 90 seconds, 90 or 2-minute videos. Make approximately this size of videos, and make 3 why kind of videos. So 3 why I sell bananas videos. Sit with your team, brainstorm on ideas that what can be my why for this banana. This is also one of my workshops in which I sit with my customers and discuss the why, how, and what in a very creative way. So why this banana? Think about 3 different things about how this banana, and the last 3 things, what this banana. So what is means, do I need to give 25% discount? Do I need to give 2 bananas for 3? All those kind of selling propositions. So think about that. What happens now is, when you run 3 ads, so yeah, what you have to do is, out of these 9, you have to find the best combination. It might be this video, and this video. It might be this. It might be this. So you have to see that which video is giving me the best conversion. Which means that on which sequence you are investing and which is giving you the best conversion ratio. Facebook gives you the conversion ratio. If you have spent $10 and if 1 lead was converted, then your ratio is 1/10. So which sequence is giving you the best ratio? That's your winning ad strategy, and then invest on that. So 9 videos, 9 ads. See, you are running 9 ads. 9 ad means 9 into $1. So you are basically running $9 a day for 9 videos. Run it for 7 days. That means your expenditure is $63. In $63 a week, you will know your winning ad strategy, and then invest $1,000 on it. Then you will see what is happening is you are creating a process, you are creating a machine. And I will also show you how you can create that machine, because when you are showing this ad, this layer of ad, you are only showing to people who have seen this ad for more than 10 seconds. So on Facebook, you can actually say that people who have seen this ad for more than 10 seconds should only see this ad. So not all the people are seeing this ad. Similarly, this ad will be shown to people who have seen this and this.
The audience, you see an option of retargeting?
No.
Oh, okay.
So retargeting is a concept. It's not an option in Facebook, but as soon as I make an ad and I target that ad to not an open audience, which target everyone in Amsterdam, no. I am targeting it to people who have seen that ad. That's called retargeting. So again, calling someone, communicating again. I'm explaining, if Lindsay watches more than 10 seconds of video 1, so if it's an if-then algorithm, then show her video 4. Only then show her video 4. Or else, see the algorithm. If Lindsay watches more than 10 seconds, then show her video 4. Otherwise, she is still not ready to go in this stage because she didn't watch your video for 10 seconds. Convince her more. Show her this video. You are convincing. So if she didn't visit my see my ad banana, I will show you another why ad, and maybe this time you might appreciate the why of my banana. I mean, not the Colombian banana. And similarly for this layer as well. This layer you have to show ads to person who has seen this. If this guy is not seen this ad for 10 seconds, show him these video 4 or video 6. So you see how you are playing with the target audience.
The algorithm does that, right? You don't have to actually do that yourself.
You have to design it. So that's your winning ad strategy. That's why it's a winning ad strategy. Everything you have to tell Facebook that do this.
Okay.
That's a very manual thing, and that's where the creativity is. But many people even don't know this, that you can do this in Facebook. B2C businesses. B2C is basically people, when you're selling to the retail customers, and the B2B is when you're selling to a business. B2B platform, the strategy still remains the same, the dollar a day strategy, but do it on LinkedIn then. And this B2C space is more of a Facebook space. Do it on Facebook. But a very key thing, whenever you are doing, let's say banana again, why of my banana, why I'm selling this banana, try to target, your first target should not be everyone. Try to target, maybe I will tell Facebook that target to people who have restaurants and they sell banana things. Those are influencers. So you should not waste your money for everyone. You should first target influencers. They should know that you have started selling bananas. So they will be the right people to reach out to.
What would be your initial target size, like audience size?
Keep it very open. You are just spending $1.
Yeah.
Keep it very open. Don't make it skews. $1. That's it. So keep it open, but still targeted. So don't take only Amstel. Take the whole Amsterdam. Yeah. So create videos. That's what I was focusing. Create videos. Shoot your own videos. This is my content basically. This is education. Educate them. The why part of it. Let's run the process once again, just to remind you guys. 1 and then 4. If fewer watched more than 10 seconds of engagement, then show them conversion ad. You got it, right? But because I watched under 10 seconds, so I'm shown again an engagement ad. So move vertically when person is seeing more than 10 seconds. If a person is seeing less than 10 seconds, move horizontally from that 9 grid, 3x3 grid. Test by different audience. So if this strategy runs for your Amsterdam, it doesn't run for your Amsterdam ad. So 63. This bunch is $63 a week. Target maybe Rotterdam. $63 more a week. That depends on your budget. But start with $63. And then this is your target audience. It might change with age. Maybe you don't know the age group who will buy bananas. Maybe you don't know the city. Maybe you don't know the gender. So try this winning combination for all different kinds of audiences. And then exactly you will know that, wow, this is for this target audience. And invest on that. So first your video has to, whenever you are targeting, not only video, but any graphic, any communication, even a blog, when you write a blog on your website, you have to think that for which customer it is. Is it my first visitor? Is it my second visitor? Or is it my third visitor? You have to keep that funnel in your mind and then write a blog. If a person already appreciates why I sell bananas, I don't have to show him why ad. I have to tell him that, okay, do more with this banana. Lead with a hook with your first few seconds has to be the impact. Take it short, make it short, and this is very important. Whenever you are making videos, have a caption running down as well. Many people watch their videos in their toilets, or in the office, so they watch on mute. So always have a running caption on your videos. That needs a little skill, but these days even Facebook or YouTube already does it automatically. Facebook also, when you upload a video on Facebook, it will automatically capture the caption, so that helps. But if you're hiring a designer, then keep this in mind. You're paying money to a designer, ask him to make a subtitle as well. He might ask you a few more bucks, but it's very important. Yeah. If this was good or maybe not good, can I ask you to open your phone and at least give me a review on my Facebook page of how was the workshop? You can even give me a suggestion. You can throw shit on me. You can appreciate it or whatever. So my page is page potato.
What if you don't want to invest in video yet because it costs a lot of money?
Don't invest it then. So this slide which I skipped was that video actually doesn't cost you money. This is not costing me even $1. Just understand.
Okay.
They are very so. Videos just need a little confidence to hear yourself on the camera. But even if you think it's costly, do graphic ads. Fantastic. But do it in the funnel
You can't do
form.
the counting on the 10 seconds.
You can't do the counting of the 10 seconds. But what you can do is, people who have seen my first ad, show them the second ad. So only seen can be tracked. Seen 10 seconds cannot be tracked in videos.
And what in Facebook do? I've never done this before. So then in Facebook, is there in my page, is there something saying make an ad? I mean, how,
Yeah,
all
exactly.
this is
Facebook,
something
exactly.
is-
Yeah.
Okay.
When you log into Facebook, give a drop down and you will see ad manager.
Oh,
If you have
okay.
never made an ad, then it will be blank. If you have ever made an ad, then in ad manager, you will see when you open the page, a big window opens and it will say audience, there was a slide which said audience. Go to audiences and then it will ask you which kind of audience. So it will show you, okay, shall I target to an audience which you can even retarget to posts. So if suppose one of the posts was very fabulous, then and you want that, wow, this kind of the people liked my post, then retarget your ad to those people. So you can actually tell Facebook that show this ad to only people who engaged with my previous post. That kind of focused targeting Facebook can do, and that's why Facebook is Facebook. And that's why you can really make money. And people who say that I can't sell on Facebook, they're really not doing the great stuff, because this kind of retargeting, trust me, even Google can't do, which Facebook knows. Facebook knows more than Google. Being a marketer, trust me, being a marketer, this is completely my profession. I've stopped trusting what people say about Trump or what you get the forwards. These are all marketing. These are all marketing. And that's why last year Facebook guy was in the courts in US because people were retargeting people. So if I hate Muslims, for example, don't mind, then I know that I will favor Trump.
Sure.
That kind of retargeting was happening, and recently we had Indian elections as well, and India is the biggest democracy. We did the same thing, and that's why Facebook was in question. That's why every time when you do something, Facebook has that we are tracking you, so be aware. But then people don't pay attention. But you are using Facebook, so yeah, that's the expense. You are the product for Facebook.
Yeah.
I have another question.
That's true.
When you do just a post on Facebook, because I often just do posts, and underneath it says like X amount of people engaged out of X amount of people. What does that engagement mean? Because they're not video contents, so it's
So
just,
engagement can be people who, So engagement can be people who commented.
But there might be 2 comments, 3 likes, and no shares. But it still says
It is an engagement. So read on Google what's an engagement, how Facebook defines engagement.
Okay.
So suppose if you did one post and you boosted one post, then don't let it go waste. Make a second ad. So maybe this was your Y ad. See which kind of ad you made.
Okay.
Maybe people already know you in Amsterdam. So even if you sold someone like bananas in 25% discount and people liked it, then it already means that people already know the what, the why and the how of yours. So they're ready to consume your what. You're getting my point? So let's say I'm in Netherlands for last 10 years, let's say, and then I have to sell bananas. Then I already know that people know me. I don't have to invest money in my Y ads because people know who I am if I have that confidence. So directly show them the conversion ad or directly show them the second level ads. You're getting my point? So when you're making second ad, then tell Facebook that show this ad to only people who engaged with that post.
Okay.
So channelize your funnel. Never keep your funnel straight. Never go this. Always go this way. So your conversion ad should be shown to very targeted people. Don't show to everyone buy discount. If you are seeing something which says buy from me and you never heard about that person before, understand that he's doing Facebook strategy wrong. Because you never heard about him and still he's showing you buy, which means he's ready to take shit. Because you will actually, what shit you are showing me? Come on, I don't even know you. Thank you so much for attending, and if you have any doubts, contact me anytime further as well, and trust me, you are not my targeted.